Hello students, today discuss your chapter 3 standard 6 science. Chapter 3 to discuss question answers. Section A science quiz. Science quiz. Name the type of fibers. There are three types of fibers: natural fibers, synthetic fiber and mixed fibers. Your second question: what type of soil and climate is good for growing cotton? Black soil and warm climate is good for growing cotton. 3 number, which traditional device was used by Mahatma Gandhi for making thread or yarn? Charkha is used by Mahatma Gandhi for making thread and yarn. Worksheet questions. Tick out the correct options. First question. The fibers which are obtained by blending natural and synthetic fibers are called mixed fiber. Your correct answer C. Second question. Roller gin is used for ginning. Your C is correct answers. Third number. Which of the following is obtained from the stem of plant? Jute is obtained from the stem of the plant. A is correct answers. Fourth number. In which of these states does the jute plant grow? West Bengal is the state does the jute plant grow. 5 number. Which of the following is used for making gunny bags? Jute is correct answers B. 6 number. The process of fibers from cotton balls into cotton fabric has the following sequence. Your B is correct answers: ginning, spinning, weaving. 7th number. Which one is mixed fiber? Terracotta is mixed fiber. Matching the following column A to column B. Ginning to D. Separation of cotton fibers from seeds. Plant fiber is related to E. Cotton. Weaving is the process of converting yarn into cloth. B number. 4 number. Animal fibers obtained from silk. Animal fiber is example of silk. 5 number. Spinning is related to making yarn from fibers. Fill in the blanks. Fabric is made from fibers. Fabric is made from fibers. टू नंबर में fill in the blanks. Dash is an animal fiber. Wool is an animal fiber. 3 number. Cotton is an dash fiber, natural fiber. Cotton crop. 4 number. Cotton crop is grown in dash soil, black soil. 5 number. After harvesting, cotton is sent for ginning. Section B. MCQ questions. First number. We can see the enlarged view of a fabric using a magnifying glass. 2 number. On pulling and pressing the yarn, we get fabric. 3 number. Which of the following fabric shrinks on burning? None of these. Synthetic fiber is fabric shrinks on burning. None of these is correct answers. Very short answers questions. Name 2 natural fibers obtained from plants, animals. A number. Plants, cotton, jute. B number. Wool or silk is an animal fiber. 2 number. Name 2 mixed fiber. Terracotta, terry silk. 3 number. Name 2 devices for making fabrics from yarn. Power loom, knitting machines. 4 number. What is handloom? Defining your questions. First number question answers, chapter 3, standard 6th. What is ginning? The cotton fibers are separated from their seeds by the process is called ginning. Second, why do we wear clothes? Answers, we wear clothes to protect our bodies from weather conditions, heat, cold and rain. We use different types of clothes according to culture, traditions, climate and daily needs. 3 number questions. How are fibers classified? Give 2 examples of each. There are 3 types of fibers on the basis of materials. Natural fibers, the fibers that are obtained from plants and animals. Example, cotton, jute, etc. Second, synthetic fibers, the fibers that are made by humans from different chemicals are called synthetic fibers. Example, polyester, terylene, nylon. Next type of fiber, mixed fibers, the fibers made by blending natural fibers with synthetic fiber are called mixed fiber. For example, terracotta, terylene. Your next questions, to discuss the usage of jute. Many uses of jute fibers. It is used for making gunny bags. Second number, jute bags are used in packing wet rice. Next point, it is used for making shopping bags, table mats, carpet, etc. 5 number questions, to discuss the advantage and disadvantage of natural fabrics. There are many advantages and disadvantages of natural fabrics. Advantages, there are biodegradable. These fabrics absorb more water and sweat. They allow air to pass through them. Disadvantages, they do not retain their carriage for long. They can easily be attacked by moth. It is very expensive. 4 number, they may shrink on ordinary washing. 6 number questions, how do you obtain jute fiber from their plants? Explain. The harvested plants are tied into bundles and left in pond for about 20 days. The bacteria grow easily, so the sticky matter that holds the fibers to the inner part of the stem is eaten away by the bacteria. When the stem rots, the fibers are separated by hands. Your homework questions, write the advantage and disadvantage of synthetic fiber. You learn many types of questions. Thank you very much.